Okay, so you have a huge family who lives all over the place, maybe around the country, around the state, and you are looking for a way to get them together. I have a way to do it. Tell them this. You need to get them together for a supersized family portrait. This is no ordinary portrait. Okay, I know you're wondering what an infinite family portrait is, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is an infinite portrait, and this is how it's made. What's so good about this kind of portrait? Well, first, there's no limit to the number of people you can have in it. The more people, the bigger the portrait. Second, each group is photographed individually, so they can look their best. They don't have to interact with 35 other people, or 40, or 50, or however many are in your family. So if you have a large family, an infinite portrait is a fun way to look great and the perfect reason to get together. Hey, if you like our infinite portrait idea, and you're thinking about doing something like that for your family, why not think about hitting the like button and maybe subscribe to our channel for more ideas from our studio. Thanks for watching. See you soon.